Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Guys, I hope you're feeling good about Cardano today. But my friends, you can see here now on the screen at this time, that is the latest update, and that is the last 1 week updates, 1 week data analysis of the Cardano my friends. You can see here last 70 price chart update. And first of all, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Cardano price in the last 1 week, so negative 3.6% the price changes occur in the ADA. And furthermore, my friends, the highest price in the ADA in the last 1 week is 1.22 USD dollar. That is the currently highest price in the last 7 days period, my friends. So now simply that Cardano hit a 1.22 USD dollar in the last 1 week. But still, if we talk about the current live price of ADA in the market, so the current price is 1.18 USD dollar, my friends. Absolutely, now the situation is going good in the market. I know the previous in the previous time the price jumps, but now the current situation, you can see at this time the situation price fast down. But the latest situation, you can see the previous last 4 days the price of it is completely falls down. You can see here completely. But now the latest situation after a 20 July, after 20 July the Cardano ADA started jumping, and still the Cardano is in the jumping mode. So my friends, my prediction is once again going positive about ADA. And you know what, maybe price falls down for some time, but remember that is the temporary falls of the ADA, and I hope after some passage of falls the Cardano price will again explode and they give you profit, my friends. So never lose hope and don't decide to sell at this time in the market. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, so please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more news and updates videos.